friends, and welcome to my little mini haul. So for the rest of 2025 and for all of 2026, I'm going to scale back the haul videos by quite a lot. So what I mean by that is as much as I love to be able to just show you everything that I purchase, I feel like a lot of the shops that I want to showcase and really point out and show you, like small businesses or different places for you to purchase things that you may not know that you can go to purchase things. I feel like they get lost in those great big videos of me showing you basically the same thing over and over and over again. My subscriptions don't really change all that much, so I may bring you like a focused subscription video if it happens to be a collection that I'm just like falling over head over heels with and I want to share it with you. But for the most part, I think most of the hauls for 2026 and the rest of 2025 are going to be more focused on small business and some deals that I feel like you guys might really enjoy. So to start out with, I've got two companies here. We've got Esterbrook, which I know is not a small business, but there's a point to this. There's an application that I'm going to show you where I actually purchased this whole bundle. We'll go through the whole bundle. All I did was open it, I haven't taken anything out of the box yet. And then this company, which is just absolutely outstanding. This little company right here is on Etsy. We will talk about this company right here, show you, I'll throw in some extra B-roll of the website so that you can see some of the other products that they offer, but I'll tell you the whole story about this company right here. And yeah, so let's get into it. And I will start with this one. So this video is going to be more about fountain pens and inks and things like that. So if you're a fountain pen lover, this video is definitely for you. If you're on the fence and you're not sure if you want to be a fountain pen lover, this video is for you as well. So I'm going to set Esterbrook off to the side because that's got an application to go with it for me to show you, and I will show you this. So I grabbed some of my ink samples and I put them inside of this little case right here. So this is a sample ink bottle holder. And if you go on their website, you will see a couple different sizes of these. So there is now, I believe because of me, an American version and a Canadian version. This is a Canadian shop, proudly made in Canada, and their ink bottle sizes in Canada are considerably smaller than our sample size bottles are here. So the original set that he sent me, I will show you it. I purchased it not really knowing that there was a difference in size, but you can see right here there is a pretty significant size difference between the two holders. This fits the Canadian size bottles, and mine, the new one, and he sent me two because he is amazing. Thank you so much, Alex. My new one fits the typical sample size bottles that we use in the United States. So I put a whole bunch in here to show you how it works. So for this one, you can see here it was too small and you weren't going to be able to put this size ink bottle in here. The new ones that he sent me fit them perfectly. There's a little, let me bring it up nice and close. There's a little divot right here where the ink bottle just sits, and then it leans up against this little back piece right here, nice and snug. And then you have a spot to put all of your ink bottles when you're using them for, ink swatches or painting or whatever it is that you use your sample bottles for. You have a nice secure place to set them. So this right here, you're going to find on, I'll have everything linked down below. That's another thing that's going to change for 2026 is that products that I am highlighting or apps that I'm highlighting for you are going to be linked in the description below. So it'll be very easy for you to find what I'm talking about, which is really hard for me to do in a 2-hour-long video with 25 different companies. So this one right here, the company is called Stacked. They're on Etsy. Like I said, it's a Canadian shop. Alex is the person that I talked to and dealt with, and he was so sweet, got back to me almost immediately because this, when I used it, I messaged him and said, did I make a mistake? Like, is this not for sample bottles? Maybe I thought it was for the wrong thing and I picked the wrong item. And he said, no. He said, American bottles are bigger. So we had a conversation about it. He made a whole new one, all new sizes for the America's size sample bottles. Everything seems to be bigger in this country, doesn't it? And as you can see, these are from different places. So the Inky Barra one is actually a sample that came from Singapore. So even those sample bottles are pretty much this standard sample bottle size. And then these ones came from Goulet pens. You can tell right there. This one came from Pen Chalet. So I wanted to put a few different possibilities in here so that you can see the different ones, but they're all almost the same size. These ones are a tiny bit shorter right here from Pen Chalet and from Singapore. This one came from Dino Rights. And then the Robert Oster Ghost and the Diamonds and all that come from Goulet pens. And those ones are just slightly taller, but they're all basically the same size in diameter. So they fit perfectly in there. So if you are a fountain pen ink person and you love getting samples and testing them out and just having fun with them, or you like to paint with them, which I absolutely love painting with them. Now my paintings aren't very good, so I'll show you one of the ones that I did with, it didn't come out the way I wanted it to, so no judging, but this is with ink from fountain pen ink only. And and a Tombow. I did the thing on the outside with the Tombow. So just to give you an idea of if you paint with them, whatever you do with your fountain pen inks, you've got a nice little holder right here. It holds 5 standard size bottles, and yeah. And he sent me a second one, so now I have 10, a place to do 10 of them. So when I'm doing my fountain pen painting of my watercolors, I have tons of ink possibilities right here in front of me. So anyways, again, this is stacked. They're on Etsy, and they do have other things that they create on their website. There's a bunch of fountain pen holders. There's things that you can hang on the wall to show things. I think you could even, I'm not sure if I was looking at it right when I was on the website, but I think you can, if you're a Harry Potter fan, I think you could even use it to hold your wands, like put them on the wall and hold all of your collectible wands and stuff. So he has quite the collection over there of things, and I think he's constantly adding to it. So anyway, that I will leave it linked down below so that you can see it. And then the second thing I have for you is I finally got my hands on a Peanuts. This is Esterbrook pen and the whole collection right here. And I found out about this app called Whatnot. I'm going to show it to you on my phone real quick. So this is what it looks like right here, which I know it's kind of a weird looking app right now, but you can follow, there's like a little thing up here where it gives you some different, I'm a Lego fan, so I have a lot of Lego stuff on here that I follow. But followed hosts, you can go to who you follow, and let me, I feel like here's one that I follow. I'm actually gonna see this show. It starts on the 14th at 7 o'clock in the morning, and this is Esterbrook is on Whatnot, and they will have special collections that are good for gift giving. So anyway, I just wanted to point out this app because this app is where I got this. So Lori Ann Tata on YouTube, she's also on Instagram. She is one of the ambassadors for Esterbrook. Her and another girl that's I think actually works for Esterbrook did a show where they had bundles of all of the Peanuts collections. So most of these were sold out on the website, and they reordered them, got them back in stock, and did this thing. But what was different about it is for the price of the pen, I got everything in this box. So this is a really good way for you to go and find companies like Esterbrook. I believe Cloth and Paper is on there. There's a lot of companies that I think are on there. If you do a little search, you'll find a lot of different ones that maybe in your circle of interest that do little special sales only on Whatnot. And you purchase right on the website. You don't have to even do anything weird. You set up an account, you put I actually connected mine to my PayPal, so that way I don't even have to worry about it. I just go straight in and purchase what I want to buy, and this is what I got. So a special little extra thing for purchasing during the Whatnot sale, I wish I could have shown you this earlier, was a few of these little extra things that are in here. One of them was this bag. If you spent over a certain amount, which this little bundle was over a certain amount, pretty much everything on there except for the clips was over the amount that you needed to spend in order to get this bag. But how stinking cute is this bag? This would make such a cute little lunch bag. Look at that Charlie Brown bag. It's so adorable. I love this thing. Let me open it up and we'll see how wide it is. It is so cute, but look at that. It is adorable. I just can't even with this. So you got the bag. That was one of the extra things that you got for this little haul thing I'm going to show you now. Then there are some, I didn't even know these were going to be in here, but I am very excited about them because I have a pen and ink book. Look at that one. I have a pen and ink book, and these stickers are going to go, I'm going to put them on the outside of the pen and ink book because I've been keeping track of all of my pens and my inks and my currently inks and all that kind of stuff, and these are fantastic. So these are vinyl stickers. Oh yeah, I love those. Didn't even know those were going to be in there. There's that. Then let's pull out everything else that's in this box. So we have this and this. Get that out of the way. Okay, so what's this? Oh yeah, so the bundle came, I got so wrapped up in the bag, which was a freebie, and the stickers, which were also freebies, that I forgot about what I actually ordered. So in here, first of all, the boxes from Esterbrook are a gift all by themselves. So if you ever have any, look at that, if you ever have any question about gift giving for people, Esterbrook is probably one of my favorite. I mean, if you want to gift me, I'll be happy to take anything Esterbrook you want to give me. But if you have ever bought anything from Esterbrook, you know that their packaging is top of the line. You just cannot beat their packaging alone. And look, it's got this little cartoon on the back. And then it's got some becoming a part of the Peanuts world has never sounded so fun. This one here. And you've got the little pull tab. And then when you open it up, this one is the bag. So this is the pen bag. I'm definitely keeping, oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, how cute is that? Even the inside brings me joy. Like, this whole thing is like a whole experience. And if you've got a fountain pen lover in your life, this would be like the perfect gift. I know it's a little late to do this for Christmas because this is obviously like the first week in December, and I seriously doubt that they would get it to you in time. But birthdays, any type of other holidays, or put it on your radar for next year and make sure that you grab whatever it is that you think that your pen person would love. But here is the little pen case, and it has this little clip here on the side, which has all of this plastic on it, which I'll take off later. But you have places where you can clip some fun little things that should be hopefully in this box. But here, look at that. Look at Snoopy. So this is like not a vinyl, patch, and he's nice and soft. And then you've got the little Peanuts bag, and then when you open it up, you can fit a couple of different pens in here. Let me grab another Esterbrook so we can see how many will fit. There you are. Should have had this out to begin with, but here's my Coffee Monsters Co. Esty. I'm going to put that one in there so that you can see how deep it is. Your pen is going to be nice and safe and snug and secure inside. Most people, including me, would probably only put one pen in here, but you can definitely fit two, which I will show you that you can fit two. So we'll set that right there, and then we'll open up this one. So this is the one with the pen in it. So how stinky cute is that? Again, you've got the same type of packaging and little pull tab. And then when you open it up, you have all of the goodies on the inside. So this one, let's get the pen out. You got a little cartridge here, which I probably won't use. You've got your normal, I think this is your warranty information. Scan to activate your pen. So you would use this to activate your warranty. Comes with this adorable little t-shirt, which I heard from Lorianne on her YouTube channel. No, actually, I think it was on the Whatnot app while the show was going on, that if you have any of those American dolls, this t-shirt will fit. It'll also fit pretty much any little stuffed animal that you have, like a teddy bear. I'm definitely going to be picking up another Snoopy when I go back to California in June, and then I will put this on Snoopy. So Snoopy's going to wear a Snoopy t-shirt, but I think it's super cute. So you get that little t-shirt in there, and then look at the inside right here. That's adorable. So I thought, like, this won't come out, so all you need is love, a dog, and a pen, which is absolutely true. There is supposed to be a couple of charms that were on here, but they weren't in this package. So I will have to reach out to them and find out if those two charms that were supposed to be on here were supposed to come in this, or if that was something I needed to purchase separately. Because if I needed to purchase them separately, one of them was a Woodstock charm and then something else. So gonna have to reach out to them and find out about the charms, because they're obviously not here, but I would really like the charms. So if I have to purchase them, no big deal. I just thought they came with the bag, but super, super cute. Really, really love that. Not a big deal that they're not in there, because so far never had any issues with Esterbrook and them not like taking care of any mistakes that may have been made. But let's get Snoopy. Oh my gosh, starting off really well. Good job. But here is Snoopy. Isn't he so stinking cute? So you got the little Peanuts clip on the top with Snoopy, and you've got the 75 Peanuts 75 pen pal on there. I'm gonna hear the dogs barking for just a second here. Let me pause the video till they're done. All right, sorry about that. My son just came home, so of course the dogs are going to lose their little minds, but look at that, Snoopy. Oh, how cute. Here, let me do it like that. I love this. So along the band right here, it says Esterbrook, and then again, it says Peanuts, and you've got little Snoopy right there, and then on the top, I'm just going over it again because I can't remember. There. Hopefully the light's hitting it just right. You can read what's on the top, and then nothing on the bottom, and then when you open it up, look at that red on the inside. Oh my goodness, I love it. And then if I can get it to show you, it says good grief on the nib. I did get a fine nib because I find with Esterbrook fine is my preferred pen size, but they did have them in all the options. Now, when you open this guy up right here, it should just be the standard Esterbrook converter. And it says, it says Esterbrook on it. I never noticed that before, but yeah, their converter even says Esterbrook on it. But yep, standard converter for Esterbrook. Love, absolutely love this pen. I'm so excited to have it in my collection. I have no idea what ink I want to put in it, but I think Snoopy was a good choice for me. They did have all the options over there, and I did hear on that Whatnot show, the live show that they did, was that they will be having more Peanuts characters coming out. So my hope is that they will have Woodstock, maybe Pigpen. I mean, those would be like so perfect. I would absolutely love to, yeah, look at that. Look at that. I would love to have Woodstock to match. I would love to have, I don't know why, but Pigpen makes my heart happy. They had Lucy, they had Sally, they had Charlie Brown, and they had Snoopy in this collection. So I'm kind of curious who they're going to come out with. But you can see here that both pens fit inside of the little bag. These things are all available separately as well, including the clip, which I feel like I've shown it a lot, but the clip did not come. I didn't want to show it to you at the same time as this because it was not a part of this. However, they did have a buy all bundle where you could get the clip and everything together. I didn't pick that one because I already have the clip, but they did have that option as well at a discounted price. I think the buy all bundle had some more stuff in it, and oh, it had the big cup as well. Yeah, it had the big cup in it as well, and that was like $195. This was $130 for everything, not the clip. For the pen and the bag and the t-shirt and this bag, everything together was $130. So anyway, I think that's it. I think that's all I have to show you. I really just wanted to tell you about the app, tell you about the new holiday gift guide coming out. I'll try to get this video out before the 14th, so that if you want to join the Esterbrook holiday gift guide show, it's a live show that they put on where you can purchase things right then and there during the show. I will have all of that up there. Yeah, so I should have everything linked down below that you need to check out. And if you are a Peanuts fan, keep an eye out with Esterbrook because, like I said, I heard little buzzing that there's some more Peanuts characters coming out soon. So keep an eye out for that. Anyways, thanks guys so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. I hope you give these companies and give these apps and give these like different avenues some love. Definitely let Alex know if you go over onto his website on Stacked that I sent you, because I'm sure he would love to know that his products are being shown and his company's getting some love. Anyways, have a fantastic day and I will see you on the next one. Bye.